Hi, I don't mean to be rude, but do your blog posts suck? Blog posts can be incredibly helpful for your business, but are your posts actually helping your business, or are they potentially hurting you? Even if they aren't hurting you, they could be costing you sales if they aren't written with conversions in mind. The first thing you need to do is figure out what your primary goal is. Do you want to make immediate sales, or are you looking to build an email list for long-term business? Are you looking for leads for an offline business? Or perhaps you're looking to build traffic to your blog. Whatever your goals, it's important to keep those goals in mind as you create content. It's not enough just to create interesting, informative content. You could have the best content in the world from a purely educational or entertaining standpoint, but if it's not written with your goals in mind, you're just wasting your time. You may be wondering how you can be sure your content really supports your goals. After all, pretty much anything can do that, right? Well, not exactly. Let's say your blog is all about golf, and you think your audience will respond well to a series of travel articles. There's a good chance that might be true. Your audience really might be interested in those travel articles. However, you must keep in mind that travel articles aren't going to help you achieve your goals for your golf business unless your biggest purpose is simply to attract the most possible traffic. Even then, writing articles about travel on a blog that is in the golf niche might actually hurt your SEO because you'd be diluting your overall theme. You might already know that SEO requires you to stick pretty closely to your topic to get the most benefit from search engines. And if you start writing about other topics, you can hurt your rankings for golf terms. You should always be thinking about how to create content that is not only educational, interesting, and entertaining for your visitors, but content that will also help you reach whatever goals you've set for your business. That's what this whole lesson series is about. You're going to learn how to create content that will help you achieve your goals, whatever those goals might be. We're going to take a look at some ways you can tailor your content with specific goals in mind, and how you make the most of every article you write. I hope you'll join me in the next video.